Thought to date back to the 16th century and set in around 1/3 of an acre of established grounds, is this thatched Grade 2 listed barn conversion. A 5-bar gate opens onto a driveway and leads up to the detached 3-bay barn garage. Inside, this property has been sympathetically converted and offers flexible accommodation throughout. From the open-plan reception area are stairs leading to the stunning open-plan living dining room. Stretching over 40 feet, it's a dual-aspect space and features a spectacular beamed and vaulted ceiling. To one end is the relaxing sitting area, with windows to the front and side, whilst to the other is the dining area, with a window to the front and a striking spiral staircase leading up to the spacious mezzanine study. A door from the rear hallway opens out into the impressive gardens, which back onto open fields and feature a large lawn and a range of mature shrubs and trees. A stable door leads into the spacious kitchen, which benefits from a brick-built fireplace, whilst the bathroom and 4 bedrooms are on the lower ground floor. All benefit from beamed ceilings, plus the dual-aspect master features an ensuite shower room. Set in a superb location, this beautiful barn conversion makes an individual and stylish home.